Noti milioni 297 cia ngiri iria nguru ni icoketio kuri bengi nene ya bururi mubango-ini uria gavana wa bengi ino Patrick Njoroge augite urari wa gutheria utonga wa bururi.
Deal with the usage of or rather to deal with the illicit cash flows, the illicit financial flows in Kenya and other countries that we had already seen and some emerging, and a lot of them or some of them were using the Kenya currency as their currency of choice.
Ihinda-ini ria mieri ina iria iraheanitwo ciiko 3,172 cia ngungo ni iranyitekanire kugerera unyitaniri-ini na bengi cia guku bururi-ini, undu uria urakinyanirio kugerera kamera cia CCTV.
That is a large number, 3,000, meaning we have the investigators need to follow this and try and connect the dots. So 7.386 billion worth of 1,000 bills that never made it to the central bank, and therefore when we turned off our computers became worthless.
Njoroge augite umwe wa maundu maria marateithiririe gukinyaniria kunina noti ici ni uthurimi wa mahinda kwa mahinda uria maratabanagia mabengi-ini maria marekwagira matirarumirira mitaratara na njira iria marahuthirire kunina noti ici nduguthingithia utonga wa bururi na njira o yothe.
We punch them and then we shred them into little bits and make them into some sort of powder and fix it into a briquette. Now you're talking the equivalent of just, you understand? So now you've shredded, you've put them into dust-like material, you've compressed them into briquettes.
Beca icio ingi nguru iria ikoretwo ikihuthika guku bururi-ini ikuninwo ihinda-ini ria miaka iri yukite. Guku bururi wa Kenya ukiambiriria kuhuthira noti iria njeru, kiuria ni kana bengi nene ya bururi wa Kenya ni ahotire gukinyaniria itanya riria yari nario ikiambiriria mutaratara wa kweheria noti nguru cia ngiri. Ngiribotera Inoro TV de Nairobi, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jehia.